Hello there, it's me, Mr. Maker. I'm getting ready for our next performance of Mr. Maker and the Shapes Live. Mr. Maker's in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. Have you seen the show yet? There's lots of arty fun, including a big picture that we all make together on the stage.
I thought it was absolutely brilliant. I think I enjoyed it just as much as she did. And everyone can get involved, no matter how old you are.
It was amazing, so we both loved it.
I like the shapes quite a lot.
I am a triangle.
He gets everyone up on their feet.
I love dances, really fun.
It actually binds family together. I love that about it.
And it was really interactive, fun, getting up and dancing. Yeah, just really good all-round fun.
There's lots of singing and dancing and audience participation.
I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, he gets involved with the kids and the parents. I love the old squares.
It was really, really good.
So come and see the show. I can't wait to see you.